Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online classes we offer. In one of my classes this week, one of my students started talking about the similarities and differences, but in fact, particularly the similarities between Stalin and Hitler, or to be more specific, between the Soviet regime under Stalin and Hitler's Nazi regime. As my student pointed out, there are many similarities. Both regimes were totalitarian, they were extremely authoritarian, they were extremely repressive of any kind of dissent or opposition. They both utilised a cult of personality, the cult of the strong leader. They both exhibited quite large degrees of anti-Semitism. There was a large nationalist imperialism at the heart of each regime. And both leaders exhibited a clear willingness to use violence for political purposes. In other words, the two leaders or the two regimes are two sides of the same coin. If you describe two things as being two sides of the same coin, you basically mean that you think they're very closely related, even if they might seem different. So, for example, violent behaviour and deep insecurity can often be two sides of the same coin. Rewards and punishment are two sides of the same coin. They're both used to control people in different ways, and neither of them are particularly effective. Economic and political reform are often two sides of the same coin, and so on. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about things that you think are two sides of the same coin.